Starting from the 2025.4 release of the Siemens EDA-CICD tools, a new feature to control dimming layers has been introduced in L-edt under View Layers menu. Dimming feature is useful to improve layout visibility in complex designs. In contrast to just turning layers on or off, this feature allows you to visually fade, dim, or highlight, undim specific layers in the layout. Therefore, you can better focus on a specific portion of layout while still viewing the dimmed part in context. There are several ways to control dimming feature. In the layer palette, there is a dimmed column right next to the hidden column that can be used to get the status of dimming on each layer. The context menu in layer palette can be used to dim or undim selected layers. The shortcut Ctrl+R&B on a particular layer dims all other layers except the selected one. You can also select multiple layers and dim rest of the unselected layers. When you press Shift plus Ctrl+R&B on a particular layer, with this all other layers will be dimmed except the selected one and its corresponding layer purpose pair. For layer dimming, you can also set custom bind keys. Assign a custom hotkey to the dim command by choosing Setup, Application, Keyboard. Scroll to the Layers category to assign hotkeys to the dim and undim commands. Click OK. There is also a TCL command called dimming that can be used for dimming operations. The command line can also be used to manage the dimming of generated layers and undim generated layers. There is also an option to do this from the context menu. The contrast between dimmed objects and undimmed objects can be controlled with the slider which is located on the status bar. Both edit in place dimming and layer dimming can be controlled with a slider, and it allows to have different contrast control between the different scenarios. Let's see how it works. When you are in edit in place mode, it controls how everything around that's not part of the current selected hierarchy is dimmed. When switching to layer mode, it controls the dimming of the layers themselves without considering the hierarchy.